Today we are making the softest, gooeyest, most moist chocolate chip cookies ever. Crispy edges, melted chocolate, and a centre that practically falls apart. If your cookies usually come out dry, this recipe is for you. Okay, we've got all the ingredients all measured out in bowls. So we need to melt the butter in a microwave and just do it in 20 to 30 second intervals. So you need the butter melted but not hot, and then leave it to stand for 10 minutes, and then place your hand under the bowl. It should be room temperature, it shouldn't be hot to the touch. Then add the butter into the mixing bowl, add the brown sugar and give it a stir, making sure the sugar is all mixed into the butter. Then add the granulated sugar and stir well. Once stirred, add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Now, the reason we add an extra egg yolk is a common technique to achieve a much chewier and rich cookie. Now stir really well. Now we're going to add vanilla extract. And then give it a very good stir. And then move the bowl to the side and get a new mixing bowl. In this mixing bowl, we add the flour, the cornflour, and the bicarbonate of soda, and also the salt. And then you need to give it a good mix. Now we're going to add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, but we do this in 3 parts. So that's just about enough. Then give it a good stir. Once it's all mixed in, put in another part and then give that a good stir. And then add in all the flour and then give it another good stir. Now it's time to add the chocolate chips. Now I'm using milk chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate or even white chocolate chips. It's entirely up to you. But all we have to do now is just mix it completely up. So make sure all that chocolate chips is all incorporated into the mixture. I have got some chocolate chips left. Now, I will show you exactly what to do with these in a bit. So you need about a tablespoon and tablespoon and a half of dough. And you're going to roll them up into little balls. They don't have to be perfect balls, so don't worry about that. And then spread them out on the tray. You do not want them too close to each other because when they're in the oven, they will spread. Okay, now that's done. Now we need to put these in the oven at 180 Celsius for 11 minutes. Okay, the cookies are done and they are looking and smelling absolutely fantastic. Now this is where we use the chocolate chips. We just place them on top, just push them down a little bit into the cookies. Now these cookies are still hot, so just be careful you don't burn yourself. And the heat of the cookies will melt the chocolate chips, so they won't fall off. And there you go, guys. There is your chocolate chip cookies. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.